Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ring Protect subscription for enhanced security features. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Ring Protect subscription, start by opening your web browser. Go to the official Ring website. If you're using a mobile device, you can also download the Ring app from the App Store or Google Play. Once on the website, look for the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In and enter your Ring account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first. After signing in, navigate to the Protect Plan section. Here, you'll find an overview of the Ring Protect subscription options. Review the different plans available, including pricing and features. Select the plan that best suits your security needs. Click on the Add to Cart button to proceed. You can now review your cart to ensure everything is correct. If you're satisfied, click on the Checkout button. Enter your payment information and billing address if prompted. After confirming your order, you should receive a confirmation email. Once the subscription is active, return to the Ring app or website. Your enhanced security features will now be available for use. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with the new features. With your Ring Protect subscription, you can enjoy peace of mind and improved security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.